Gentlemen of the press, today the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare presented 2 memos for consideration of FEC, and the 2 were approved. First is a memo to procure antiretroviral drugs so that the presidential treatment program for people living with HIV and AIDS can continue. You know that Nigeria has a policy of providing free drugs to people living with HIV and AIDS. And earlier in the year, there was some anxiety that Nigeria was going to run out of ARV. With this approval, that anxiety is laid to rest. But another significant part of this approval is that the approval is also being used to consolidate on the program of Mr. President to unlock the healthcare value chain by giving the project to a local pharmaceutical industry that is going to work with a global brand, so that gradually over time the capacity to also be able to manufacture ARV drugs in country can be enhanced. So the project has been awarded to FEC Healthcare at the sum of 9.99 billion naira to procure antiretroviral drugs for people living with HIV and AIDS. The second memo is to replace, upgrade, and provide training for cancer treatment in 6 of our cancer centers, 1 per geopolitical zone, so that radiotherapy, which is an essential part of cancer treatment, can continue in these centers. And this has also been approved by FEC today. Thank you very much.